Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Vlog with Shan, and today's video I'll be doing curry chicken. I'll be showing you how I do my curry chicken. Feel free to put your own twist to it, but this is my way, so I'll show you my way. I'm sure you guys will learn a thing or two. And also, please don't forget to share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, so my chicken is already washed and drained. Drain it a bit more. You know the routine. Wash with vinegar and lime juice. Now I'll be adding my seasoning. So I have here 1 pepper, 2 chopped garlic, pegs, pimento grain, 1 tablespoon Maggi chicken, half tablespoon Maggi all-purpose, black pepper, half tablespoon Mrs. Dash. One pack better pack curry. One tablespoon cooking oil, allow for a good marination. Let me rub this in. Look at this. It's already beautiful. So my 2 pegs of garlic and my scotch bonnet pepper, pimento grain, my already added spice. Leave this to soak for 1 hour. So my chicken is marinating. Time now to heat the pot. Little oil, little more curry, like half pack. Allow it to burn. You don't want it to burn too much. Change the colors. Put in my meat. And if you're afraid of heat, do not enter the kitchen. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cover this and go ahead prepare my seasoning. While I put my chicken in the pot, I'm gonna come right ahead and prepare my seasoning. So I'll be cutting onion, thyme, scallion, sweet pepper, more garlic. Okay, so let's see what's happening in our pot here. Oh my god. Time to add some seasoning, natural seasoning, onions, scallions. I'm using 2 onions. I like a lot of onion. Sweet peppers. garlic, and thyme. Let's even. I'm gonna distribute this evenly in the pot. Wow, just beautiful. Okay, to let you know that I only put 2 cups water in this. Seems like this wants some more. Oh my god. If you all could smell this right now. If you like this delicious curry chicken, please leave a like. I'm adding a bit of water. Turn up the heat a bit. Add 1 chopped Irish. Please note, I do not add carrots to my curry chicken. You can do so if you wish. It's optional, but the reason that why I do not, it gives it a taste that I don't really like. It gives it that sweetish taste, and I'm not looking for a sweet taste from my curry. Okay, so that is my reason. Okay guys, so let's check on our curry. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. Wow. I use a fork to test the Irish. Once the Irish is soft, then we are good to go. So the gravy. So my Irish is telling me that I need about 5 more minutes. So I'm gonna allow this 5 more minutes. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And there you go guys, my curry chicken served with white rice and vegetables. Thank you all for watching.